Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by isolating the problem. Shut down, remove USBs and external disks, and plug into AC power. Once done, power on and press F12 or F8 repeatedly to open the boot/recovery menu. This forces the system into WinRe or Dell recovery so you can repair startup files. Make sure to note whether you can reach repair your computer or a command prompt. If prompted, choose the OS and select Troubleshoot to continue. This is where the repair tools live. You now run automated and manual repairs. First, try Startup Repair from Advanced Options and let it complete. This can fix common boot issues without data loss. If that fails, open Command Prompt, run chkdskc/f/r to repair disk errors, and then sfc/scano to restore system files. When boot configuration looks corrupted, run bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild to rebuild boot records. Make sure to reboot between major steps to test progress. If repairs don't restore booting, you move to Recovery and Recovery options. Try System Restore to roll back to a known good state. This preserves programs and settings from an earlier point. If that fails, choose Reset this PC and opt to keep files, or perform a clean reinstall of Windows as a last resort. Make sure to run Dell Diagnostics to check SSD/HDD and memory. If diagnostics show hardware errors, replace the failing component. Tip: if stuck,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.